When you book your AC installation with Action Furnace, your personal home comfort advisor will come to your home to begin the home analysis process. During your assessment, your expert advisor will evaluate your current system, assess your home size, and estimate your cooling needs to determine the best solutions. They'll take precise measurements of your home's square footage, inspect windows, and check all registers and ductwork for efficiency. As Alberta's premier comfort dealer, we take the time to fully explain all our recommendations, ensuring you have the information needed to make the best decision for your home. We'll provide a detailed overview of our most popular air conditioning models, highlighting key differences in performance, energy savings, and reliability. If you're interested in advanced features such as smart thermostat compatibility, we'll walk you through how these upgrades can enhance your comfort and lower your energy costs. Our goal is to help you find an air conditioner that delivers optimal cooling, efficiency, and long-term value, keeping your home comfortable all summer long. Our professional technicians go through a careful process when installing your new air conditioner. This may include installing indoor coil, installing the outdoor condenser, complete all applicable electrical work, ensure the unit is properly charged and balance the refrigerant. Then we will test the unit for comfort within your home. Our team prioritizes cleanliness and professionalism, ensuring the process is smooth and causes minimal disruption to your daily routine. Plus, with our exclusive 2-year trial guarantee, we guarantee that if, after 2 years, the equipment and service that we provided do not meet your expectations, we will remove the equipment and return 100% of your investment, plus interest.